Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is on Amazon. You will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. 6-1/4 inch cutting capacity for one and done. Clean cuts through 6x and lumber up to 6-1/4 inch thick. Largest capacity worm drive circular saw that delivers relentless power for the biggest jobs. Tough, durable magnesium die-cast footplate ensures accurate cuts every time. All magnesium construction for durability and reduced weight. 15 amp dual field motor keeps the motor cooler to provide increased power. 16-5/16 in. Skill blade to make perfect cuts right out of the box. See more product details. The number 3 on the list is choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Makita built motor delivers 3,700 RPM for faster cutting and ripping through wood. Heavy gauge, precision machined base for smooth, accurate cutting and added durability. 50-degree maximum bevel cutting capacity. Weighs only 7.3 pounds with battery. Battery not included. For reduced operator fatigue. 6.5 inch blade delivers a 2 to 1/4 inch cutting capacity for a wide range of cutting applications. See more product details. The number 2 on the list is many positive reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Robust circular saw design features a 15 amp motor for cuts up to 2-7/16 in at 90 degrees, and is only 10.2 pounds in weight. Die-cast magnesium footplate for unmatched durability and flatness. Saw hook. Convenient saw storage between cuts. 56 degrees bevel capacity. Bosch exclusive bevel louvers direct blower output to clear away dust. Optimized sightlines for unmatched visibility. Anti-snag lower guard. Provides smooth operation for small cut-off pieces. High contrast bevel and depth scales, for greater accuracy. High strength and lightweight magnesium upper guard. Soft grip handle, for added comfort. Heavy duty 22 amp switch. Removable end cap. Easy, reusable brushes. Spindle lock, for quick and easy blade change. 10 featuring long cord. See more product details. The number 1 on the list is this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Powerful 15 amp motor delivers 5,300 RPM for greater speed and faster cuts. 7.14 inch carbide tipped blade included. Spindle lock for easy blade changes. 51 degrees bevel capacity with a positive stop at 45 degrees for a wide variety of cuts. Dust blower keeps line of cut free of sawdust for improved visibility. safety lock, guarded trigger and power on indicator minimize accidental starts. See more product details.